Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? Hey, listen, I am just making my normal commute into work here and thought I'd do a quick intro to this video. The other night, when I was talking with Jessica Link in our live chat, we were talking about the importance of reading labels and how ingredients can be hidden in the labels. And when I was at the grocery store the other day, I came across some stuff that might be something that would trip somebody up. You know, it's the kind of thing where the front of the label looks like, hey, that's what I'm after, and you know, you turn the jar around and you find out, no, it's really not the case. So not only do you have to get in and reading the ingredients, but one main thing you can't do is believe the front of the label. The front of the label is all marketing, and the front of the label will lie to you. Now, one of the things that is a mainstay in keto is, you know, getting away from inflammatory foods. Big part of that are nut and seed oils, the canolas, the soybean, safflower, that type of stuff, the vegetable oil, corn oil. And so that kind of takes mayonnaise off the table for a lot of us, at least the major brands. Well, the major brands are starting to see that there's a push for alternative oils, and well, let's just take a look in the grocery store and see what I found and see why it may not be all that it's cracked up to be. Take a look. All right, so here we are in the grocery store looking at the mayos, and look, hey, Kraft makes olive oil mayo, and that certainly looks promising. So let's take a look at the back, though. Yes, it does have olive oil, but it also has canola oil, soybean oil, and modified food starch. Not what we're looking for, guys. Carb count's good. That makes it low carb, but it's not a keto product, so be careful there. Right next to it, they have avocado oil, another one that we would maybe try for. But once again, look at the back, guys. Avocado oil is in there, but also canola, soybean, and modified food starch. You want to stay away from this. And then as we look around here, you'll find the, let's see, where's the regular mayo? There's the regular mayo. And, you know, regular mayo doesn't have carbs in it, or very few, if any. However, its main ingredient is soybean oil. And this one even doesn't have the modified food starch, so I wouldn't say it's better. But now, here's the thing. Well, wait, let's look around here. There's one more, I think. Where is it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? There it is, or Best Foods, olive oil. Let's see if they do any better at it. And as we pick it up, that might be something that might grab your attention. And boom. Nope. Olive oil is not even the first oil used. That's soybean oil, and again, modified food starch. So I would stay away from this. So now, are these things, if you have a teaspoon of this stuff occasionally, going to be the end of the world for you? No. But seed oils and vegetable oils are inflammatory. So we need to get these out of our diet to the best of our ability. What I buy is, let's see, where's it at? Here it is, Chosen Foods Traditional Mayo. I find this at Costco, and it's very affordable. And you can see the ingredients are very, very clean, and there's not much there. So I would pick this, honestly. And, you know, you can at Whole Sprouts find some avocados or avocado mayo. It's a little more expensive there. If you have a Costco, I'd do that. So that's what we got for you today, guys. Just some tricks and tips to try to keep yourself on track for the long term. So again, not the end of the world if you have a teaspoon of this stuff, but please try to limit it. Okay? Drop a comment if you have one. Please subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you soon. Keto on, keto strong. Thanks, guys.